kindergartners, it's Miss Thomas Moore, and we're in week 10.
Day 5. Hi, Kinder. It's Miss Cotton. Welcome. All righty. So today we are going to do something called spin a coin because we have been learning about money. All righty. So our learning goal for today is, while using problem solving, I can identify the number of pennies equal to a nickel, dime, and a quarter. And remember that big word we learned for equal to? Equivalent. So we're going to talk about how many pennies are equal to all the other coins we learned this week. Yay!
Yay! And before we get started with everything, we're going to do what we always do with Miss Thomas Moore. You know it, it's the math and movement. And today is going to be a little bit different because instead of counting with it, we're going to kind of sing a song with our movement. So these are the words. You're going to say penny, nickel, dime, quarter, penny, nickel, dime. Penny, nickel, dime, quarter, penny, nickel, dime. A penny's worth 1 cent, a nickel's worth 5, a dime is worth 10, and a quarter's 25. So the movement that we're going to do is going to be penny, nickel, dime, quarter, penny, nickel, dime. Penny, nickel, dime, quarter, penny, nickel, dime. Okay? So, are you ready? Let's go. Penny, nickel, dime, quarter, penny, nickel, dime. Penny, nickel, dime, quarter, penny, nickel, dime. A penny's worth 1 cent, a nickel's worth 5 cents, a dime is worth 10, and a quarter's 25. Hey, good job, everybody. Good job. We're going to talk about the materials we're going to need for today. So, first you're going to need a spinner. And if you don't have a spinner or you aren't able to print this out, you can just use the top of something and draw your circle and create it, okay? You're also going to need 10 and 5 frames. So you're going to need 2 10 frames and 1 5 frame so that you can create something that looks like this if you're not able to print it. Then you're going to need 25 pennies. You're going to need a dime, a nickel, and a quarter. You're going to need a paper clip because that's going to be part of our spinner. And you'll need a pencil or something that you can hold in your spinner to make it move. If you don't have all of those things, then you can use whatever you have that can hold your spinner. It could be an ink pen or a marker or something like that, just so that you can make all of those things work. Use whatever you have at home that you can make this work. Are we ready?
Okay, so if you don't want to use a 10 frame, Miss Cotton has the piggy bank, and it's also included in the file, but remember you can just draw a big giant circle so you can have something to put your money in. Okay, so we're going to get started. So your coins, your nickel, dime, and quarter are going to stay off of your paper until you make the amount of pennies that make that coin. And then when we do get there, then we can add it to our paper. So by the time we're finished, we should be finished with our quarter because it's worth the most. All right. Alrighty, so I'm going to spin first. I landed on 1 cent. So I'm going to put 1 penny in my piggy bank.
Awesome. Okay. I have 4 cents. So I'm going to put 4 pennies in my 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Alrighty. 4 cents. So now I have 1. I'm going to add 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cents in my piggy bank. I can now add a nickel. I made 5 cents.
Awesome. I have 1 cent. So I can add 1 penny. I already have 4, so I'll add my 1. But look, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I can add what coin? Which coin is equivalent to my 5 cents? That's right, my nickel. So I can put my nickel on my mat.
Okay, we look like we're tied up right now. I have 5 cents. Woo-hoo! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I already had 5 cents. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cents. Which coin can I now add to my mat? That's worth 10 cents. I'll give you a hint. It's the smallest coin of our pile. Right, our dime. Okay.
Awesome job. Let's see. I have 3 cents. So I'm going to add 1, 2, 3 pennies. Can I exchange it for anything yet? Nope, I only have 3. And with my 5, I have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 already there. And I added the 3, so that's 6, 7, 8. So do we have a coin that's worth 8 cents? Nope, so I can't exchange it.
Okay. Oops, I have 5 cents. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I already had 10 cents. So now I'm going to add my 5 cents. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Do we have a coin that's worth only 15 cents? Nope, not yet. All right.
I have 3 cents again. Let's see. I already have 8. I'm going to add 3. 1, 2. Uh-oh, that 10 frames filled. So do I go to the next one? Yeah, 3. So I had 8 in my first 10 frame, and I put 2 more in that 10 frame. So how many do I have in that 10 frame? 10. Is there a coin worth 10 cents? Yes, I can put my dime down. So down I have how much altogether though? I have 10 and 1 more is 11. So right now I have 11 cents.
Okay. $2 cents.
Oh.
Okay, so I had 15. So I'm adding my 2 pennies. So 15, 16, 17. Nope, almost there.
1 cent. So I had 11 and I'm going to add 1 more. So how much do I have? 11, 12. Any coin worth 12 cents? No.
No.
Almost.
What coin are we trying to get to? What's the last coin? So we're trying to get to the quarter that's worth 25 cents. So we each don't have enough for 25 cents. I had 1 cent. So I had 17. I added 1 more. Now I have 18 cents. Not yet.
Oh, it's on the line. I'll have to spin again. 1 cent. Let's see. I add 1 cent. I had 12 cents. I'm going to add one more. That's going to put me at what? 12, 13 cents.
Okay. 5 cents. Alrighty, so I had 18. I'm going to add 5 cents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23.
Wow,
Did you see
you're
what Miss
almost
Cotton
there.
did? I slid my coins over into my pile as I counted them so I can include them in the number.
Awesome.
Alrighty.
You're getting close, Miss Cotton.
I am.
1 cent. I have how many? 13, and I'm adding one more. That puts me at 14. Is there a coin worth 14? Nope. I gotta wait.
No. Okay. Oops, 2 cents. So I had 23 cents. Now I get to add 2 cents. 1, 2. So 23, 24, 25. Woo! What coin did I show with my number of pennies? I have 25 cents here. So I made a quarter.
Yay.
25 cents.
25 cents.
Okay. So
Awesome
Thomas
job.
Moore, you're welcome to keep going so you can earn your 25 cents.
Let's see. A 3. So I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, which I was at 14. So now 15, 16, 17. Not quite 25 yet. I'll spin again. 1 cent. So I'm at 17, and I add one more. That's 18. 3 cents. I have 18, and I got to add 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Let's see. That's 18, 19, 20, 21. I'm getting close. Yes. 4 cents. Woohoo! 1, 2, 3, 4. So I now have 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 25 cents. So I can now add my quarter to my mat. Yay! So we got all of our coins on our mat by showing how many pennies were equal to each of those coins. Yay!
So you guys can try this at home with a partner or by yourself to see how many pennies equals each coin and practice identifying your nickel, dime, and a quarter and its value.
You have done an excellent job these 10 weeks, boys and girls, and we are super excited about having shared everything with you. Have a great summer. Keep doing your math, counting your money, doing your graphs, making patterns, counting. We know you can do it.
Yay!
Yay! Bye, everybody.
Bye.